Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. So for this, open the Instagram app, click on your profile. From here, if you don't post any video, first of all, post a picture or video. Then click on the post and there we have boost post option. Click on boost post. From here, first of all, you need to choose option that you want. So if you want to get a profile visit, so simply go with it. If you want a website visit, then you can go with this. And if you want to message, so you can choose a message from here. So I will go with visit your profile and then click on next. So here you can select your audience. So click on suggested audience and then click on next. Now you need to set your ad budget. So this is almost $1 per day. Okay, so estimate daily reach will be 68 to 180. Now click on next. Here you need to enter your card detail. Once you add your card detail, then click on boost post and this way your ad will be run. In this way you can run ads on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.